Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove an application or an icon from your Mac menu bar. Let's say, for example, I want to delete this sound icon right here from my Mac menu bar. So I cannot swipe this icon away from my menu bar. I can try what I want, but it doesn't work. I need to go to the control center settings in the settings app. So as you can see, the Wi-Fi, that is in my Mac menu bar. As you can see, show a menu bar, don't show a menu bar, show when active, don't show when active, always show a menu bar, and show when active. So as you can see, this sound icon is currently turned on, always show in menu bar. So I need to tap on this and then tap on don't show in menu bar. As you can see, now the sound icon is removed from the menu bar, which is really nice. So I can easily add them again by tapping on the control center and then moving it back to the menu bar. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.